Hello guys, my name is Andre and I'm owner of SkyEagle Aviation Academy. Now SkyEagle Aviation Academy is also offering helicopter programs and helicopter courses from private pilot up to airline transport pilot on a helicopter. If you would like to know how to fly helicopter and how to land helicopter to such a small place like Fort Lauderdale downtown helipad, call us or send us email and I will teach you how to fly this beautiful helicopter. This machine, Robinson R44, is now a fleet, gives you real freedom of fly. Enjoy SkyEagle Aviation Academy.